Before you begin, remove the access panel. Removal. Disconnect the power and data cables from the storage drive. Lift the blue external bay handle and slide the storage drive cage out of the external bay. Press and hold the two green release latches and slide the storage drive out of the storage drive cage. Flex the plastic guide rails and remove the pins from the screw holes in the storage drive. Remove the storage drive. Replacement. Flex the plastic guide rails and slide the pins into the screw holes in the storage drive. Align the plastic guide rails with the slots in the storage drive cage. Slide the storage drive assembly into the storage drive cage until the two green release latches lock into position and the storage drive assembly is fully seated. Lift the blue external bay handle and slide the storage drive cage into the external bay until it is flush with the front bezel. Release the blue external bay handle. Connect the data and power cables into the storage drive.